everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video we're going to do a simple, quick and healthy vegetable stir fry. Now you can go ahead and use whatever vegetable you have available at your home, guys. You can give and take with this stir fry. Now beside it I will be steaming some nice white rice. I'm gonna blanch some of my vegetables, the broccoli, my carrot and the snow peas. As well, you can notice that I'm going to use mushroom and celery, and here I have some mustard greens. Yes, if you have baby bok choy, you can use it. Pak choy, you can use it. This is what I have at the moment. I'm also going to be using a piece of zucchini that I found in my fridge, as well as carrot and sweet peppers. Now if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Now for my carrots, I'm just going to cut them in my desired shape. What I'm going to do, guys, is to blanch my broccoli and carrot and snow peas. My broccoli, I've washed it already with some vinegar and make sure any uninvited guest is gone. Yes. So what I'm going to do is to just blanch it just like this, because it is so easy to cut apart when it's done. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do, and make sure your water is already boiling, because we're going to blanch these for 5 minutes, no longer. Going in with my broccoli and all of my broccoli, guys. I'm not going to use all of it today, but I just want to blanch all of it now. Guys, you want to also make sure you have some ice water beside you, because as soon as we take these out, which is right now, we're going to immerse them in some ice cold water. Yeah, I think the broccoli florets are a little bit easier to manage when you blanch it like together like that. Less mess. And you know, when your veggies are blanched, they get a brighter color. Our mustard green can be roughly chopped. Remember as well, if you have cabbage, it can be used in your stir fry. The options are endless here, guys. And for my ginger here, I'm going to use a teaspoon and just peel off the skin. This, you don't waste your ginger this way, guys. So you peel off your ginger with your spoon, and I want you to cut it in some small disc. And those discs, I want you to put them together and slice them very fine. You don't want anybody to just bite down and chunks of ginger in your stir fry or in anything at all. I find that very distasteful. So you want to slice them up really fine. And then put them together and just slice them again. Alright guys, I've washed my rice already. Now I'm going to add some salt to my water. Adding in my rice. Want to steam that until it's thoroughly cooked. Now in my pot here, I'm going to add in my oil, my garlic, and ginger. Keep it moving guys, you don't want to burn your garlic. At this point now I'm going to go in with my celery and onions, my mushroom. Got myself some nice fresh mushroom at the supermarket yesterday. It's like I feel like I hit the jackpot guys. Oh my gosh. My bell peppers. Oh my god guys, so far everything is just smelling so lovely. Can I tell you? Wow, just wow. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my blanched veggies. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at all of those lovely colors. Yes. Very nice guys. And the garlic and ginger. I'm such a lover of garlic and ginger together. Such an amazing duo. I don't find them they walk hand in hand in my kitchen. Yes, hand in hand. And now we're going to add our sauce that we made earlier. Just enough. You might not use all of it, but that's okay. And guess what? As it cooks, it just thicken up under there and give you a nice sheeny look on the veggies that we all want. Yes. Now I am going to go in with some sesame oil. I really think it bring up the flavor of this. Now remember, you cannot really start by cooking off the veggies with the sesame. Remember, sesame oil has a high smoke point. And we're going to go in with some white pepper. Alright, now is the right time to add in your mustard greens. Just on top there, the heat from the pot will just continue to steam it. Everything is very nicely done guys, I'm not kidding you. Lovely. Now what I like to do guys is to turn off my heat. The heat from the pot will continue to just finish off everything nicely. I'm also going to remove the pot here, so we don't want any other heat from the stove to penetrate the pot, right? What is in the pot is what's going to finish off the veggies. And this is it guys, our nice stir-fried vegetables with white rice. Now remember, you can have this stir-fried veggie with anything you prefer. Quinoa, just by itself here, noodles, whatever way you prefer it, then you can use it that way, right? Now, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.